and welcome to Shoe DIY. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to star lace your Converse. So getting straight into it, we're going to take our laces. Now rather than starting at the front of the shoe like we would normally do, we're going to start at the top. So we need to thread our lace through the inside 6th hole. We're going to leave a little bit of lace at the top so we can pull on it to tighten the bars that we're going to make. Just tuck that under there. So we're going to take the lace across the shoe to the outside 6th hole. Pull on it a little bit, tighten it up, and then we're going to take the lace down the outside, pull it up through the 4th hole up. So we're going to thread it under the bar and bring it up through this hole. Then we're going to take the lace, we're going to go across to the inside of the shoe and the 4th hole up. Making sure it's nice and taut. And then we need to take this lace, bring it underneath the bar and bring it up out of the 1st hole. So thread it under your bar, your middle bar. Bring it up out of that 1st inside hole. And we're going to take it across the shoe to the outside 4th hole. We're then going to take it underneath the middle bar and this cross. We're going to bring it up through the outside 1st hole. Then we're going to take the lace across the shoe and put it on the inside 4th hole. Give it a bit of a pull, make sure it's nice and tight. Then we need to take this lace, we need to go underneath here and bring it up again through the inside 1st hole. So we're going to thread it down underneath the middle bar. We're going to thread it underneath the 1st cross. We're going to take it underneath the next cross. Pull it tight, and we're going to bring it up through this 1st hole on the inside. Making sure that you're adjusting your laces to keep them nice and tight. Then we're going to take the lace, we're going to take it up to the 1st bar that you made and we're going to thread it over and under. So to keep it in place, what we're going to do is we're going to go over this bar, over this cross, and we're going to go underneath this bar here, the middle bar. Make sure it's flat. Keeping it under there will keep it in place. Bring it up, thread it over and under that 1st bar that you made. Pull on this lace here, that 1st bit of lace, to make sure your bar's nice and tight. And then we're going to take this lace, and we're going to take it down the shoe and we're going to put it through the first hole. So we're going to go over the middle bar and under the cross. So I'll just go through that again, keeping it in place so it doesn't come over the edge. We're going to go over the bar and under the cross, and then we're aiming to go to the outside first hole. So we thread it through the hole, nice and flat. And then we need to get this lace, and we need to bring it up underneath the eyelets to the top. So we need to thread it underneath this lacing style here. We're going to start, we're going to go under the first cross, we're going to go under the second cross, we're going to go under the middle bar, and we're going to go under the first bar that you made. Pull it over to the side, to the outside of the shoe, under all the eyelets, tuck it in, make sure your first bar is nice and taut. Then we're going to take the laces and tuck them behind the tongue out of the way so you can't see them, completing the star lace look. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet.